Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to install Bitwarden extension in Google Chrome and how to set up it. So first of all, go to Google Chrome search bar and search for Bitwarden. And go to this Chrome web store. Also, you can directly go to the Chrome web store and search for Bitwarden, this one, and click add to Chrome. And as you can see, now it's downloading the extension to this Chrome web browser, and it will begin to install. Okay, now it installed. So first of all, let's pin it in this address bar. Click this pin icon. So now we can see it in here. So after you install the extension, you have to create an account. For that, click on this Bitwarden extension icon and click on this create account. And here you can select the server you want to create the account, bitwarden.com or .eu or self-hosted. So for now I select this option, and here you have to add your email and add your name, and you can opt out this email subscription or option if you want, but for now I keep it and click continue. And after that it will send you an email to register your account. So check your email. So now you can see I received the email from Bitwarden. So click on that email and go to this verify email. Now you have to set a master password for your account. So you have to add a password that have 12 character minimum length. So let me add my password. And here you can add password in. Make sure to remember this password, otherwise you won't be able to restore your account if there are an issue. As you can see here, your master password cannot be recovered if you forgot it. So make sure to remember it. If you want, you can uncheck this option. If you keep it checked, it will check if there are any vulnerabilities on your password, and then click create account. So as you can see, now the account is created. So now if you go to this extension and here add your email here, and click on remember email if you want to remember your email when you log in next time, and click continue. And here you have to add your master password on this input field and click login with master password. Now you can see we logged in. So now we have set up the extension. So if you want, now you can add new password to this password manager. So let me show you how to do that. So click on this extension and click on new login, and you can add username and password and save it here. For example, let me add my Bitwarden password here and save. So now you can see it sync back to this account. So if I log out this account now and log in again, you can see it showing that we have saved password for this site. So if I click on that, you can see this under autofill suggestions, previously saved password is listed. So if I click fill, it will fill the password to this login page, and if I click on login with master password, you can see it logged me in to this account. So now you don't have to remember the password, so you can easily save all the password here and use those passwords whenever you want. So that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.